Ali trudges along a dusty path, his worn clothes mirroring the skepticism in the villagers' sidelong glances. The sun bakes the earth as a villager's question hangs heavy in the air. What can a poor boy become? The weight of water buckets strains Ali's arms, a silent testament to his unwavering resolve. In the dim hut, Ali studies under the flickering oil lamp, his brow furrowed in deep concentration. The sounds of the village dim as Ali immerses himself in tattered books, fueled by determination. "I will not give up," Ali whispers, his voice echoing in the small, sparsely furnished room. In the village square, Ali stands tall, sunlight gleaming off the award he raises high. The villagers' faces, once doubtful, now shine with admiration and pride. His voice rings out, clear and strong. Hard work and honesty can make anything possible.